How to fix your Discord app lag on PC. So let's get straight into the video. The first thing you want to do is check your system requirements. Make sure that your PC meets Discord's minimum requirements. So OS Windows is going to be a 64-bit, processor should be 1.6 GHz or faster, memory should be 2 GB RAM or faster, and storage is 200 MBs or faster. Okay. If that is not the case, you want to go to the user settings and then look for advanced settings. And this is where you want to turn on hardware acceleration. Again, if that is not the case, you want to go to user settings, advanced, and simply go ahead and clear cache. If that is still not working and you're using some kind of game overlay, that could be a big cost. Simply go ahead and close that, and also close any background applications that consume a lot of memory. If that is not the case, you want to try updating your application or try restarting your PC. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.